Asthma's kicking in, allergies, cough, and a tightness of the chest. So what can you do about it? The Ren Channel runs down the center of the body. There's a number of different acupuncture points at the intersections of the ribs. We can take those and take 3 fingers, 2 fingers, 3 fingers, and tap. You may find as you're doing this, it's going to bring out a cough. You can also press and hold. So this one, the Ren Channel, you can use just one, but I find it's a little bit more effective with acupressure. If you tap, hold, use the chest. But more than one acupressure point. Again, spread your fingers, hold. Circular rub, hold. As you let go, take a deep breath. If you have to cough, let it out. Hold it again. Light circular motion. Inhale. Exhale. Release. Do that a few times.